Hello, my lovely foodie members. Welcome back, and I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you this mouth-watering goat meat groundnut soup or peanut butter soup recipe with you. All you have to do is to trust the process and you will love it. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. I will start by cooking my vegetables which I'll be using for the soup. So I'll be using pepper, garden eggs, and fresh tomatoes. I will transfer everything into my cooking pot. I'll go in with a little bit of water. I will cover and allow it to cook until it's nice and very soft. And we are back to check on it after extra 20 minutes, and this is how it's looking. It's looking super soft and ready. At this point, I'm going to set it aside, strain out the water, and allow it to cool down a little bit before I blend. So while that is going on, let's go ahead and steam our goat meat. I have really washed this goat meat really well. Moving forward, I was using my meat with some garlic, ginger, and onion. Next, I'll also go in with some garlic, ginger, and onion powder. You can omit one if that is what you want. I'll go in with a little bit of salt to taste. I'll also add a little bit of tomato paste to it. I will cover and allow it to steam in its own juices until it's nice and ready. As always, you should be checking it from time to time. Alright, so at this point, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now that our meat is steaming beautifully, let's go ahead and blend our peanut butter. And to help the blending process very easy, you need to go in with water before you add in the peanut butter, and afterwards you blend until it's nice and very smooth, just the way you see it on your screens right now. After blending the peanut butter, I also go in with some tomato paste. This will bring out a very perfect color. After the peanut butter is nicely cooked, you can also omit it totally. So now let's stir everything together for the tomato paste to incorporate very well. And once that is done, we're going to cook this on low medium heat for approximately 30 minutes until oil settles on top beautifully. Now while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, and also commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so we are back to check on our protein, and this is how it's looking. It's looking super good, very flavorful, and it's just perfect, just as I want it. Now I'll give it a very good stir, and at this point I was just loving the aroma that is coming out from this. It's smelling super good. Next, I'll go in with my blended vegetables which I cooked earlier on. After adding in the blended vegetables, I'll also rinse my blender with enough water and I'll add it to my soup. Alright, so while that is done, let's give everything a very good stir, and we will allow it to cook for additional 10 to 15 minutes on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. Alright, so while that is going on, let's also check on our peanut butter. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes now and it's almost done. So now we're going to leave the peanut butter to do its own thing for about 5 minutes, and after 5 minutes you should start seeing oil on top of your peanut butter. Okay, so this is after 5 minutes. As you can see, The oil is coming together very nicely and just perfect. Alright, so we are back again after extra 2 to 3 minutes, and this is how our peanut butter looks like. It has really developed a lot of oil, and that's what we're looking for. So now all that is left is for us to set this aside, and we're going to go back to check on our protein. If it's ready, then we can proceed to add in our peanut butter. Alright, so we are back after extra 10 minutes, and this is how our soup base looks like. It's looking super good right now and just perfect, just as I want. So now let's go in with our cooked peanut butter, and once that is done, we will proceed to our next step. Next, we're going to go in with a little bit of water. Since the peanut butter is going to thicken up in the cooking process, going in with the water always depends on how light or thick you want your soup to be, okay? So you can go in with more or less water. Alright, so now let's give it a very good stir, and we will cover and allow it to do its own thing until the soup is nice and ready. Now, while that is going on, let me still remind you that subscribing is free. So if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this goat's meat peanut butter soup, and I'll be glad to read all your beautiful comments down below. Alright, so this is after 20 minutes of cooking the peanut butter. Since we cooked the peanut butter on fire separately, after adding it to the protein, no need wasting my time. Now the soup is all done and looking so delicious. But you know me, I am a mackerel girl, and I love the taste that it always gives to my soup. I'm going to add in 1 mackerel to enhance the taste of this goat soup. If you don't like it or love it, you can also omit it totally, okay? Now 1 is just perfect for this recipe. You can add in more if you want it more rich. I'll rinse my can a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out today. Let's give it a very good stir. I'll cover and allow it to simmer down for about 10 minutes, and it should be ready just the way you see it on your screens right now. But I realized the pepper wasn't too much, so I needed to go in with a little bit of pakushito, and also I added in a little bit of salt as well, which unfortunately the camera couldn't capture it. So don't say I didn't add in any salt to my soup. I added it, but the camera couldn't capture it, okay? Now just look at how mouth-watering the peanut butter soup looks like. I hope you're going to try, and your family and everybody is going to enjoy it. I enjoyed mine with fufu. You can also enjoy yours with any swallow or any food that can go well with peanut butter soup. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoy to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much, and see you in my next upload. Bye.